Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin over here with Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how to make that beautiful bird. So we're going to start with a brine. We're going to have dark brown sugar, allspice, rosemary leaves, whole peppercorns, bay leaves, molasses, honey. Got to have some salt in there. So we're going to get this all into a pot with a gallon of water. Bring it up to a boil. Let everything get familiar. And once we have that at a rolling boil, throw in a little bit of thyme. Give it another 10 minutes to simmer. Then we're going to cool it down with about a gallon of ice, some more water. Get your bird in there, and when you're done, you're going to have something that looks just like this. It's got a little bit of that color on the outside. And what we're going to do today is spatchcock this bird to make it cook evenly and quicker. So we're going to cut down this side of the spine, come back, cut down the second side, and then we're just going to rip that spine right out of there. Get you a good set of kitchen shears, make this light work. Once you're done, this is what you're going to end with. Sorry, it looks a little disgusting, but trust me, it's worth it. So we're going to come back in with the chef's knife and make an incision right here. That's going to allow you to crack the breastbone of this bird and lay it down flat like this. This is going to be your spatchcocked bird, and everything's just going to cook a little bit more even since it's all on the same level. It's going to cut your cooking time in about half. This bird took 3.5 hours. It's a 19-pound bird. So once we have it spatchcocked, we're going to get it seasoned up. I'm just keeping it simple, using Kinder's The Blend. I love this stuff. I use it in a lot of other videos. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of Pam so that it has something to stick to, and then boom, we're seasoned. We're going to get it out here on the smoker. We are running in between 275 and 300 today, straight on there. And like I said, this took about 3.5 hours. I'm going to let it go for about 45 minutes before I even come back and touch it. When I do that, I'm going to come back with a blend of it's just butter, little rosemary, little garlic, keeping those same flavors together. And we're just going to baste it, and that's what's going to give it this beautiful color that we have going here. I will rotate it once or twice, but really 3.5 hours, and this is what you're ending with.
There will always be projects. Exactly. No matter what. No matter how many you get done, there are always something.
I got a garage plan.
Oh, yeah, you
I
did.
want to get a nice workbench. Get my tools organized.
The best compliment you can ask for, what do the kids think?
Just move around.
There you got it, guys. Go check out my other videos. If you like what you saw here, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Hope everyone's doing well, and I'll catch you in the next one.